Hi guys, these are exercises using the dish towel or cleaning cloth. These are side lunges, and the goal is you're dragging that towel up. These are rear lunges and then curtsies. You can do different combinations. You can do 2 at a time, 3 at a time, but it's awesome. Now you have like 5 different workouts right here. Rear lunge and then hammy curls, amazing. The back of the legs, the glutes, your abs, awesome. And now I do singles because those are pretty hard. So these are your modification. And adductors and a plank, excellent. Spider women's, reaching over, abductors, adductors, abs. There's so many different variations. You can do all of these little circuits, mountain climbers, little pike ups, and around the world tuck ups. Again, excellent for your abs, stability, core, Cinderellas. I love my Cinderellas. Dragging your feet, pushing with your arms, going backwards. A side plank, and when you drag that towel, you drag it back and just reach up to the ceiling. Just another little variation to the side plank. Thread the needles, and then so many great mobility. This is rainbow, open books, get them on both sides. Now mobility, you always want to do before. You can do it after as well. And little wash on, wash off. Back extensions, awesome. Snow angels, love, and then RDLs for your glutes. Awesome. Contact me.